had sailed 7 years when the measles broke out and our ship lost her way in the fall. And the whole of the crew was reduced down to 2, just myself and the captain's old dog. Then the ship struck a rock. Oh Lord, what a shock! The boat it was turned right over, turned 9 times around, and the poor old dog was drowned. Now I'm the